Hi guys, we're just gonna hop right into the makeup, no intro today. So I start out by putting on a light coverage of foundation. I use the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and this is a really good one. You can layer it and it goes on more full coverage. You can do very lightly and just do a minimal coverage. Really like this foundation. It's a good drugstore foundation. And then we're going to go into concealer. I use the Age Rewind. It's about time for a new one. I broke it in the middle, but I'm just going to keep using it. It's just going to go a little bit of a lighter hand. And just kind of put it all over on top of my trouble areas where I would like a little bit more coverage. And then blend it out with a beauty blender. And then we're going to go in with another Maybelline product. I really do love their products. They're a good drugstore brand. So if you're trying to save a little bit of money, a Maybelline is a good way to go. And then we're just going to put it on the areas you'd like to make last longer. This is called baking, and you just let it sit for a little bit and then you wipe it away. Then we're going to go in to contour. I use a foundation stick, just 2 or 3 shades darker, and that's what I use for my contour. I like that for my cream contour instead of an actual contour color, because I can get it to match my skin tone a lot easier. And then here I'm just going to take the excess on my brush and a little bit of the Smashbox color and just kind of blend it out a little bit more and add a little bit to my chin. And then we're just going to fix the nose a little bit and start the actual Halloween makeup. Here we're going to go into the Pure palette and add just a little definition to our eyes. And we're going to go down with this bottom shade and blend in the crease just a little bit. And then we're going to go in with a big fluffy brush and take this lighter shade And just blend out the edges so it looks a little bit more blended and not so harsh of a line between the transition color and that crease color. After that, we're just going to add a little bit of a shiny, sparkly color to the center. We're not going to be super precise with it. Just going to add a little bit of sparkle to the look, and then we're going to wipe away the excess powder from our baking, and that leaves us with a bright under eye, and everything else is set. After all that's done, we're going to go in with that first color and add a little bit underneath the eye. Then I'm going to do my eyebrows. I use this pomade, and first I start at the end and just kind of line the top and then line the bottom and fill it in, and then I go to the front and add just a few fake hairs to make it look a little bit fuller at the front, and that is my eyebrow. Here we are going to take the NYX eyeliner and go across our face. Don't have to be super specific with how the line is, so if you mess up just a tiny bit, we're gonna smudge it out anyways. So as long as the top part looks pretty good, then don't worry about the underneath. Then we take a smudge brush and smudge it out a little bit, and then go in with this black from the Naked 2 palette and smoke out the bottom. It doesn't have to look super flat and seamless. It can be kind of streaky because this is sort of a witch kind of feel, so it's kind of messy and not all put together. And then we're gonna take that same NYX eyeliner and start adding some lines, and I end up taking away the dots. I feel like it's a little bit too clown-ish, so I end up taking those away anyways later on. Yeah, I just go around and add some lines and just give it more of a witchy feel. Yeah, as I said before, I'm removing the dots. I removed them up at the top too because it kind of looked like a smiley face to me, and the bottom looked kind of clownish. So I removed those and then just add a simple little line underneath. And then I go through and tease my hair just a little bit to give it a little bit more of a messy kind of look. It's kind of not put together is what I'm kind of going for. And that is the final look. It's kind of simple, but I like it. I hope you guys enjoyed.